Setting up an SMSF is easy, but setting it up the wrong way can cost you thousands in penalties and years of stress. Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process in how to set up SMSF in a safe and compliant way. Hi, my name is Anita, a CPA and a registered tax agent. Welcome back to ARK SMSF Made Simple, episode number 3. A quick note before we start, I'm a CPA and a registered tax agent, but I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So this video is for general purpose information only and not to be taken for any financial or investment advice. If you want that, always seek for professional advice. Thank you. In episode 2, we did discuss about whether an SMSF is a right fit for you or not. Today, I'll walk you through how to actually set up one step by step. The first decision is you'll have to decide on the trustee structure. There are two options available. One is individual and the second one is a corporate trustee. Most professionals prefer a corporate trustee because it gives you a better asset protection, it's easier when members change, looks more professional, and it has fewer ATO and legal risk. This decision affects compliance long term, so it must be done correctly. Second is the SMSF trustee. You need to create the SMSF trustee that is legally valid. And this document sets out how the fund operates, who controls it, what investments are allowed, how benefits are paid out. So using a cheap and outdated trustee is one of the most common mistakes a lot of people do. So your trustee must be ATO compliant and it has to be up to date. Third thing is you'll have to register the SMSF with the ATO. So what does that mean? You'll have to obtain ABN, a TFN in the SMSF status, right? So once everything is set up, you can go to your Superfund lookup and find out whether your fund is compliant or not. So without this, your fund is not legally recognized. Step number 4, your SMSF should have its own dedicated bank account so that this account is only used for your contribution, your investment, your expenses, your tax payments, anything related to SMSF, you'll do it from this bank account, okay? Number 5 is prepare the investment strategy. So you'll have to make sure that you have considered all the factors that ATO has set out: risk, liquidity, diversification, members' retirement need. So buying property or shares without a proper investment strategy document is a compliance breach. So you must take care of your investment strategy. Step number 6 is a rollover of the existing super. So once everything is ready, you can then roll over your existing super balance from your retail super fund to your SMSF, right? So what are the common mistakes people usually make? Setting up an SMSF before getting proper advice. So that's why I'm asking you to get the advice from a financial advisor before setting up the SMSF. Wrong trustee structure. You might go for individual or, whatever suits better for you, you will do that. Poor or generic trustee. So like we said earlier, it has to be updated and ATO compliant. No investment strategy. That's also one of the common mistakes that people do. Buying property before compliance setup, you cannot do that. So it's a big no. And not understanding the ongoing costs. So there are yearly obligation costs associated. So you'll have to again, look at those costs and think about whether they are actually good for you or not, right? Fixing this later could be more expensive, so you make sure that everything is handled properly, correctly set up in the first place. So why do you think professional setup matters? Well, SMSF is not just a bank account. It is a legal structure, a tax structure, and a compliance entity. And at ARK Accounting Solution, we handle end-to-end SMSF setup, corporate trustee registration, trust deeds, ATO registrations, investment strategy, and the ongoing accounting and tax audit. So our clients start clean, compliant, and confident. Well, if you're thinking about setting up an SMSF and want it done professionally the first time, you're welcome to book a no obligation consultation with us. Our details will be put down below. In the next episode, number 4, we'll talk about one of the most requested topics, how SMSF buy property and the rule nobody tells you about. If you found this video helpful, you can like and subscribe, and if you don't want to miss the next episode, please subscribe us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.